Alright guys, Aaron with Quality Service Today Plumbing. I'm going to show you how to replace the flapper seal in a Kohler. This is a 1.6 gallon well-worth toilet. It's the main reason I'm making this video is it's pretty simple along with my other videos, but the biggest thing is how to get it out. Kind of scary, to be honest with you, but you're just gonna remove the overflow, the fill tube. You'll go ahead and turn this water off. We're going to go ahead and flush it. Alright, so I hope you can see this. I pulled the fill tube out of this. So this is a quarter turn, this piece in the center. You got the drum, you got the center piece. You're just going to spin it. Quarter turn, and sometimes it gets stuck. Like, you got to be real careful with it. But you're going to pull that whole thing out. You see the flapper here? You just peel that off right there. Pretty simple. Get you another Kohler flapper seal. In my other video, I went over a Mansfield toilet. This one here, you can also put a regular flapper valve. I don't recommend doing that, but it does work. Push that back down, crank it back a quarter turn, make sure it hangs, put your fill tube back in, turn the water back on. I said that part right there is kind of scary to twist it. It twists counterclockwise. Sometimes they get hung up pretty good and it feels like you're going to break it. You just got to kind of massage it and get it to come apart. But fill it back up, dye test it several times, and you're good to go. Hope this video helped you out.